Hey guys, so I just made this tasty recipe. It's a crinkle phyllo dough cake, right? But I made too much simple syrup, and because I'm on a strict budget and I'm not planning about wasting anything, let me tell you what I found out. So I created all this simple syrup, and when I started making the recipe, I said, yeah, I don't want to use that. It's just too much. So I'm going to drain this. You probably see a little bit of phyllo dough, whatever, and it's not going to hurt anything. I had to do some research, and I come to find out that bartenders use simple syrup for drink. You can use simple syrups in your coffees and your teas, so I don't have to get rid of this. It was a cup of water and a cup of sugar. That cup of sugar is pretty expensive, okay? So I'm going to take this container of honey that I'm out of. I just got out of it today, perfect timing, and put it in there. And guess what? I can store it in the refrigerator for up to a month. So you can make your own simple syrup. And this is also a way that you can start making your own sweeteners for your coffee, guys, with different types of sugar. Just going to use my kitchen cheesecloth to avoid the particles. Yes. Waste not. Now, if I need a little bit more sweetener, I don't have to always use this. I can use this simple syrup for my coffee.